Views comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 predefined styles for the layouts. So if I select grid and the number of columns is 2 by default, we can see that the results will be shown in 2 columns like that. So it's pretty neat. Okay, I'm going to set this back to unformatted. And one more thing is, if you remember at the beginning of the video, I told you that if a particular staff member does not have a website URL, this entire entry should not be listed. So that's one of the requirements. We can easily do that by adding a filter. So I'm going to click on add another filter item, and I'm going to filter by members website field. And for the comparison function, I'm going to select not equal to, and that's it. So essentially what I'm saying is, if staff members website custom field is not blank, notice how I'm not entering anything here. So when I say it is not blank, it means something should be there. So only if something is there, in the sense if the URL, at least one URL is present for that field, only then should the only those posts or only those entries that meet that particular criteria, which one of which is this, should be fetched. So I'm going to click on add filter and OK, update. So when I refresh, this particular gentleman should not appear. Yes. So this in essence is how we can use types and views to very easily and quickly create custom post types, create custom fields, attach these fields to the custom post type, and create view templates, and use this view template in a view. So types, views, and there are 2 or 3 other modules in this entire thing called toolset. They are pretty powerful, and this is just the beginning of what this can do. And in case you want to see how we can further enhance this page using CSS and few other plugins like expand collapse, you can see that here. So I've changed the title of the page, I have reduced the size of the H2, and I've got rid of the border around the images using CSS. And for the image which does not have the rounded corners, excuse me, I've used CSS border radius property to ensure that all the images have the rounded corners. And for those entries which are kind of too long, I've used a plugin called Simple Shortcodes, which is also free, to expand and collapse. And we can also ensure that using CSS the URLs appear in separate lines like this. So that's it. Hope you found this overview video helpful. Bye.